Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a favicon with Canva and upload it to your Squarespace website. A favicon is that tiny icon that appears in browser tabs next to your site name, and having a custom one makes your website look more professional and branded. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of the screen and click on Create. This will open up a menu with various design options. From this menu, choose Custom Size. This is important because favicons need specific dimensions to display properly across different browsers and devices. Now you'll see fields where you can input dimensions, type in 100 for the width and 100 for the height in pixels. These square dimensions are perfect for favicon creation. After entering these measurements, click on Create New Design. This will open up a fresh canvas that's perfectly sized for your favicon. Here's where you get creative. You can now edit and design your own unique favicon. Add elements like text, shapes, or graphics that represent your brand. Keep in mind that favicons are very small when displayed, so simple, bold designs work best. Choose colors and elements that are instantly recognizable and align with your brand identity. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click on Share in the upper right corner of the screen, then click Download from the menu that appears. Before downloading, make sure your file type is set to PNG. This format maintains quality and works perfectly for favicons. After confirming the file type, go ahead and click Download. Your favicon will save to your device and be ready for upload. Now let's move over to your Squarespace account. Head to squarespace.com and log in. Once you're on the homepage, simply click on the website where you want to add the favicon. This will take you into that site's editing interface. On the left side of the screen, find and click the gear icon. This opens up the settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your site. In the settings search bar, type favicon and click on it when it appears. This takes you directly to the favicon settings page. Now click on Add a favicon. This will prompt you to upload an image file. Select the favicon you just created and downloaded from Canva. After uploading, click Save to apply your new favicon to your website. Your custom favicon will now appear in browser tabs whenever someone visits your site, giving it that polished, professional touch. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom favicon in Canva and added it to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.